Bitcoin, Ethereum. Kaboom. Let's take a look at the chart, shall we? Woo! Bitcoin has exploded higher. We're seeing, thanks to Elon Musk, right, posting that, hey, you know what? I like Bitcoin, or putting his, what I think it was putting his profile on Bitcoin. He's caused it to explode a lot higher, and that means we have definitely broken out of this falling wedge pattern, which was always bullish, anyways, but there was a chance that we could break down, but we're in a bullish mode for sure now. So now we're going to be talking about how to trade this, how to get into this particular blow off here, right? We want to make sure we can make some money on this as well as on Ethereum. My name is Da Vinci Jeremy. I'm joined here with Inti Campos.
Good morning, people. How are you today?
I'm sure everybody is very happy with the Bitcoin results and party, right? Because like now we're seeing Ethereum also pumping as well. So if you like that, right, make sure you hit the like, bell button, and all, right? Hit those three things, and also leave a comment, right? And share this with all your friends, right? Because man, it's going to be an exciting episode, and we're going to be doing probably a rapid fire session this day, right? So that we can see what as the day folds, what's going on. Maybe we'll even find some trades along the way. So if you're interested in participating in the live stream as I do the live rapid fire, you have to be a part of the DaVinciJ15.com's Telegram group, right? Just head over there, head over to DaVinciJ15.com, right? Subscribe, and then you can be a part of the Telegram group, and you also get the Pandora's Wallet subscription for free. You could also do that with by heading over to www.pandoraswallet.com. If you don't want that, you could always just purchase some the DJ15 token, right? And a small amount, really, basically 0.05. That adds up to like what, just over $5 right now, and you'll be a part of the live stream as well. Okay, so you interested in seeing what happened in the charts, Cinti?
Of course I am.
All right, let's do that. Before we do, you got a few words to say, right?
Yes. As always, people, it's worth to remind you that this video is for entertainment purposes only, and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before putting any of your hard-earned money on the market.
Excellent, excellent. Well, you know what? You're going to be looking for those questions, right? We do question and answers after this, after the video's over. So, just another reason why you want to be a part of this live stream. All right, so I'm gonna head into the charts. Wow, this is crazy, right? I remember I was working out when I got up. I get up at like 7. Not 7, actually, at 4:30 in the morning, and the first thing I saw was that, hey, you know what, Bitcoin was dropping off, right? It was like not it was not doing too hot, right? I thought, okay, well, there's going to be probably an opportunity to probably buy lower at the lower levels here, maybe at the 61.8. We're going to be looking at that in today's show, and I thought, oh wow, I can't believe it broke down from this breakout here, because it looked like it was headed to the 35,000, right, and then maybe bounce back down, and then test the this falling wedge like trend support, right, the trend line support, and then go higher. But no, you know what? Honestly, this is what Bitcoin did. It went like this. It went like this, right? Hey, go ahead. Let me see here. Let's see if I can bring it up. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. There it is. There it is. That's what it is. That's what it is. Oh man, I can't get enough of that. I'm sure a lot of you can't either, right? You love it. I know you love it. I know you do. I know you do. Right? So, Bitcoin, we're headed to the moon, right? Like always, right? And take a look, guys. Look at this, people. What do we see here? What do we see here? A clear and absolute W. Clear as day. We have done it, right? We have broken out of this W here, pattern here, and we are headed higher. So, what is the target for this W, right? Since we've broken out from that, target's pretty high. The target is pretty high, right?
It should be
So
over 40K.
yeah, most of us missed that. And let's just see here. We'll talk about how to get in. It's at 41,200 approximately. That's the target. So most of us would probably miss that. We missed this because we didn't set like our conditional order so that if it was like above this, hey, you know what? I'm gonna buy that, right? Most people probably don't have their conditional orders there. We're gonna talk about setting conditional orders in another day, but yeah, we're gonna have to start doing that, especially in this Bitcoin bull market, setting more and more conditional orders so that if Bitcoin breaks like and sets up a W and starts to do these kind of things, yeah, I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. Alrighty, so let's head down to the lower time frames and see if we can find anything to trade. Right now, it's bouncing off the 13 EMA on the 15 minute. Let's see what happened on the 5, because I'm just interested on that one as well. We broke down to the 30 EMA, okay, and then now they've sandwiched together and we're heading higher. Let me see if I could go over if there's anything else we can go over here. On this side here. Wow, just unbelievable. Look at this. $5,000 move in 1 hour. Woo! Boom! Boom! Let's see here. Let's see. What percentage is that, right? Let's see here. Forecast range, price range. There it is. Right? So, like, I remember waking up and thinking, yeah, it's doomed. We're going to have to look at that. 14% in 1 hour. 14.5%. Almost 15% in 1 hour. We're up 15% in 1 hour, right? In 2 hours, right? And sometime in 2 hours, less than 2 hours, it was up 20%. Just like that. Just like that. Gotta love it. Gotta love it, right? It was amazing. You know what? This Dabo short actually did work out, right? But that's another story. And then it just came back right at you, right? Because this was actually a Dabo short with a what's it called, a double dip actually. That would have been able to. You probably would have been able to reverse that. And look at that! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Wow, this is cool. This would have been like the best Dabo short I've ever seen, actually, because like look at that. It came. It would have been. This is where you would have entered right about here. Right, you would have entered on this Dabo right about there, and then the next candle close. Your stop loss at the top, right? Take a 2-to-1, and then reverse it. And then reverse the trade. Look at that. It completed, and then the trade was reversed. You just basically take this and flip it on its other side, and that's it. And take the opposite direction, because it was a 2-to-1 a Dabo, because it did not cross the on balance volume EMA when it fired here, right here. So because it didn't go below the EMA, that's just a 2-to-1 with the double dip possibility. Right, and yeah, it was brutal, man. Beautiful double dip, Dabo. Excellent. Alrighty. Let's head over to Ethereum, right, which is like pumping as well. Jesus, holy, it's still pumping, man. It's off and popping, man. Looks like Ethereum has decided, yeah, we're out of here, man. It was like it was concerning me at the lower time frames here, because look at this. It was like, yeah, put pressure, and then it started to dump, and it looked like it wanted to go further, and then all of a sudden, man, thanks to Elon Musk, we've blown up over here, and it looks like we want to probably go even higher from there as well. You're gonna be a little bit careful. This could roll over still. It's still early in the game, right? But with Bitcoin pumping as well, I think Ethereum might be dragged along for the ride. We also turned the pressure around on the opposite direction, so now the pressure's headed upwards. So I'm thinking that Ethereum is also headed in the upper bound region, especially since you know what, this lower time frame we've actually let me just make this bigger. We've actually all of a sudden just reversed it, and when Ethereum tends to do that, that means it's headed in the headed in that direction, that reversal direction. It was looks this looked very very bearish, and then out of nowhere this pump comes. Generally, when that happens, Ethereum can fall, has a lot of follow through. So look out for that. Um, yeah, but just with caution. Now, this has also destroyed the what's it called, the Bitcoin dominance, but that's all right. It's only temporary, right? So you know what? I'm looking for some some nice some nice what's it called, cheap altcoins. So I'm looking to hold. I was gonna buy this on the at the actually price at the market price, but now I'm thinking no. I'm gonna wait for the 61.8. Right, I think Ethereum is gonna run, so I want to get this as cheap as possible because I want to convert it back to Ethereum once I get a half on a double. So I want to be a little bit cheapskate on this 1 inch. This is my next token that I'm interested in buying, and I'm looking to buy it at the 0.00158 level and pick some up there. I like 1 inch, right? I missed the airdrop. I wanted to do. I so badly wanted to do a show where I could take advantage of the airdrop, but then by the time I got around, was gonna go do it. It was already done. The airdrop. Anyways, wow, the whales are just loading up on Bitcoin. I mean, think about this, man. If every Bitcoin address just had 1,000 Bitcoin, that's 2.5 million, just under 2.5 million Bitcoin in 2,500, almost 2,500 addresses. But there's probably more than 1,000 on most of those addresses. So these whales, right? They've got a lot of Bitcoin, and that means higher prices, and they're not going to let go. If they're anything like us, anything like the hodlers of his last resort, they're not letting go. And as long as we have the fiat system, right? There's no point. There is absolutely no point. Why is that? Why is it no point for you to let go of your Bitcoin if you've got thousands of them? Because you could borrow against them, right? You could actually, because this paper money just comes into existence just by you printing, right? And as a billionaire, right, you can just go, oh, wow, I just want to, I need to borrow some more money, or basically print more money, and buy whatever I want. I'm not spending that because I know you're going. This system's going to zero, so I could print until the infinitum, until the system goes to zero, and that's the issue here. It's coming, and that's the end of our fiat system, because you know what? Honestly, nobody's going to let go of their Bitcoin if we have a fiat system, right? And so, even though we're going to probably have one for quite some time, right? Eventually, it's just going to be like, okay, we're not. This is not going to work for us, right? When we have this hard asset beside us that people are just going to run to or hold on to and use our fiat system to buy up that hard asset, right? And it's just not going to work out at all. So, Inti, we're going to be ending today's show a little bit early. Thank you for watching. Appreciate everybody watching the live stream, and also watching this after it's been edited and posted. So if you want to be a part of the live stream, remember, right? Check out www.davincij15.com, and you can also be a part of this live stream in the next episode in the 2 hours from now. Cheers, people.
Bye.